On today's video, I am gonna be showing you a very simple trick. I used foundation to create my eyebrow. So the first thing I went ahead to do is to brush the eyebrow with the hair wax, and then I went in with the Zaron powder all over the eyebrow just to keep it in place and to make sure it's matte. The foundation we'll be using is the V Beauty foundation, and mind you, you have to make sure the foundation you're using is darker than your skin tone and is extremely matte. If not, it's gonna melt. So I went ahead to create strokes just like my hair. As you can see, it's not too dark, it's not too light. I went in with a foundation that is just a little bit darker than my skin tone, and I went ahead with the V Beauty concealer to conceal the eyebrow and to highlight it. Can we see how beautiful that looks though? Then you blend everything together. Make sure you use a concealer a little bit lighter than your skin tone for that natural look. So this is it. Can we see the difference? And to finish up, we'll be using a powder to set that area to take away any shine or oiliness from the eyebrow. Gently pat the powder into the eyebrow just to make sure everything is put together and matte. So for more color, we'll be going in with this lipstick from Hager and Esther to set the eyebrow in place. And that is basically it, guys. If you love this tutorial, please subscribe, share, like, and leave me some love in the comment section below. Thank you.